Hey guys, we got this opaque travel laptop backpack. Let's test and try and show you what's inside it. So comes in a normal packing. So let's open this one and see. So this initial thing is a good fabric, small size, portable one, and then very helpful for the traveling thing. As this is a laptop bag, there is a separate pocket for the laptop. You can store up to 15.6 inches laptop here. It's easy to take out because this side will open completely, and then you can just put in your laptop or tablet or anything and just take out for the checking. So very nice thing here. So the impression is zipper pocket for your passport, small stuff, mobile, etc. This also have this reflector strip on the front and on the strap. Also have a ample size in here with a small zipper pocket to store in some closed stuff, and also have small compartments here to store in your pen, pencil, flash drive, or anything you want. A USB extending cable that you can see it here, and a headphone small opening. In the back you can see this a luggage thing that you can put on the luggage. This also have the clips in here, adjustable straps, RFID protected side pocket or the back pocket where you can store in your stuff like for any network thing. And this bag is actually looks really nice. So let's see this USB extension thing. So we can just put in this extension here and inside, and then you can just put in another cable for the USB extension here and then do the stuff you want. So you don't have to open the bag completely for the USB. That's how it is useful as a USB extension, and you can do your stuff in. So this is a pretty cool thing that you don't have to take out the cable from inside, and this is a USB extension thing inside from the bag itself. Say like you can close the bag, the zipper, and then you just don't need to take out or put in the cable like that. So the bag will be completely closed. And the other thing is in the back is for the laptop, that the chain you can easily have that open for the bag. So reflecting strip is good in the night. And as I mentioned, the RFID thing you can put in your credit card on the stuff or the network or the mobile, like whatever you want to do. So this is a RFID protection here. So this looks really nice, very easy and compact, and very nice to hold and carry. No issues, very nice bag.